Today we will demonstrate a iPhone 11 Pro. It has problem with compass sensor. Let's go to deep dive after the intro. Now disassembling the display panel. Removing all flex cables from motherboard. Now removing SIM tray. After that, now removing the motherboard from the phone body. We will work with magnetometer or compass sensor. Now go to microscope. Removing NEC9M9 IC. Be careful this time, other component will damage due to heat. Installing the IC again. Assembling the motherboard and display panel. Now checking the compass. Yes, it's working fine. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you want to share your opinion, comment on comment section.